Bangladesh, a nation once primarily known for its lush landscapes, riverine beauty, and vibrant culture, is forging a bold new identity on the world stage, one that is increasingly defined by its economic dynamism and export prowess. At the heart of this transformation lies the powerful slogan, "Made in Bangladesh." This phrase, now emblazoned on millions of products shipped across the globe, encapsulates not only the country's manufacturing strength, but also its aspirations, resilience, and the collective ambition of its people. Through a strategic focus on branding and consistent quality, Bangladesh has positioned itself as a global export powerhouse, with its story unfolding across the markets of North America, Europe, Asia, and beyond. Central to this branding success is the meteoric rise of Bangladesh's ready-made garment, RMG industry. In 2024 alone, export earnings from this sector reached an astonishing $50 billion, representing nearly half, approximately 46.74% of the country's total exports. The "Made in Bangladesh" tag, stitched inside shirts, jeans, and dresses, has become a familiar sight to shoppers from New York to London, from Berlin to Toronto. Major international brands and retailers rely on the reliability, cost-effectiveness, and quality that Bangladeshi manufacturers consistently deliver. The United States remains the largest importer of Bangladeshi garments, accounting for about 21.5% of total exports, with the European Union, United Kingdom, and Canada following closely behind. But what sets Bangladesh apart in the hyper-competitive world of global manufacturing? The answer lies in a combination of factors: a young and industrious workforce, continuous investment in technology and compliance, and a relentless drive to meet and exceed the expectations of international buyers. The government's commitment to improving labor standards, workplace safety, and environmental sustainability has further enhanced the perception of "Made in Bangladesh" as a mark of ethical and responsible production. Recent developments have only strengthened Bangladesh's position. In a major diplomatic and economic win, Bangladesh successfully negotiated a reduction in U.S. tariffs on its garment exports, lowering them to 20% from the initially proposed 37%. This achievement not only aligns Bangladesh with other major garment exporting nations like Vietnam, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan, but also provides a significant competitive edge over countries such as India, which now faces a higher 25% tariff due to unsuccessful negotiations. For Bangladeshi exporters, this reduction is more than just a financial relief. It is a validation of their growing influence in global trade negotiations and a testament to the strength of the Made in Bangladesh brand. The impact of this tariff reduction is immediate and far-reaching. For manufacturers, it translates into improved profit margins, greater pricing flexibility, and enhanced ability to invest in innovation and capacity expansion. For workers, it means more jobs, better wages, and greater opportunities for skill development. For the nation as a whole, it underscores Bangladesh's emergence as a global economic player, capable of advocating for its interests on the world stage. While garments remain the flagship of Bangladesh's export landscape, the Made in Bangladesh brand extends well beyond clothing. The country has strategically diversified its export portfolio, building on sectors that showcase its versatility and entrepreneurial spirit. Among these, the leather and leather goods industry stands out as a rising star. In the period from July 2021 to March 2022, exports in this sector surged by nearly 31%, reaching $896.8 million. Bangladesh's leather products, ranging from shoes and handbags to belts and wallets, are increasingly sought after for their craftsmanship, durability, and affordability. Another sector gaining international recognition is pharmaceuticals. Once a minor player, Bangladesh's pharmaceutical industry has grown rapidly, with exports hitting $134.15 million between July 2024 and February 2025, marking a 13% increase over the previous year. Bangladeshi pharmaceutical companies now supply high-quality generic medicines to over 150 countries, leveraging world-class manufacturing facilities, strict regulatory compliance, and a growing reputation for reliability. Traditional exports, too, continue to play a vital role in Bangladesh's economic narrative. Jute and jute products, often referred to as the golden fiber, have experienced a resurgence as global consumers seek sustainable alternatives to plastic. Footwear, miscellaneous textiles, worn clothing, and headgear further diversify the export basket, ensuring that Made in Bangladesh is not a one-dimensional brand, but a multifaceted symbol of creativity, adaptability, and progress. Crucially, the government and private sector have worked hand-in-hand to elevate the brand's global visibility. Strategic marketing campaigns, participation in international trade fairs, and investments in infrastructure have all contributed to strengthening the country's image. The European Investment Bank's recent commitment to double its funding for Bangladesh to $2 billion, focusing on infrastructure and economic development, is a vote of confidence in the country's stability, resilience, and long-term potential. Even amid periods of political uncertainty, the story of Made in Bangladesh is also a story of transformation at the community level. Factories and export hubs have become engines of social change, offering employment and empowerment to millions, particularly women. The RMG sector alone employs over 4 million workers, the majority of whom are women from rural areas. Through skills training, financial inclusion, and social mobility, the export sector has created new opportunities and improved living standards for families across the nation. Yet, the journey has not been without challenges. Bangladesh has faced scrutiny over labor conditions, workplace safety, and environmental impact. The collapse of the Rana Plaza building in 2013 was a tragic wake-up call, prompting sweeping reforms and a renewed focus on compliance. Today, Bangladeshi factories are among the most rigorously audited in the world, with international buyers demanding and receiving transparency and accountability. The Accord and Alliance initiatives, alongside government regulations, have driven significant improvements in building safety, fire protection, and workers' rights. These efforts have not only restored international confidence, but have also reinforced the Made in Bangladesh brand as a symbol of progress and responsible manufacturing. Looking ahead, Bangladesh faces both challenges and opportunities. Competition from emerging manufacturing hubs, shifts in global trade policies, and evolving consumer preferences require constant innovation and adaptation. The country's ability to maintain its competitive edge will depend on continued investment in technology, infrastructure, and human capital. Digitalization, automation, and sustainable practices are increasingly shaping the future of manufacturing, and Bangladesh is taking decisive steps to stay ahead of the curve. One of the most promising trends is the move toward greener production methods. Sustainability is no longer a buzzword, but a business imperative, and Bangladesh is embracing it with vigor. From eco-friendly factories powered by renewable energy to the adoption of circular economy principles, the country is positioning itself as a leader in sustainable manufacturing. The Made in Bangladesh label is gradually coming to stand not just for quality and affordability, but also for environmental stewardship and social responsibility. In the global marketplace, perception is as important as performance. The success of Made in Bangladesh as a brand is rooted in its ability to tell a compelling story, one of transformation, resilience, and hope. It is a story of a nation rising from adversity, harnessing its strengths, and daring to dream big. Through innovation, hard work, and the unwavering spirit of its people, Bangladesh is demonstrating that it can compete and thrive on the world stage. As Bangladesh continues to expand its export horizons, the world is taking notice. From garments and leather goods to pharmaceuticals and sustainable jute products, the diversity and quality of Bangladeshi exports are winning the trust of buyers and consumers alike. International partnerships, investment flows, and recognition from global institutions further reinforce the credibility and potential of the Made in Bangladesh brand. In conclusion, Made in Bangladesh is far more than a slogan. It is a testament to the country's journey from poverty to prosperity, from obscurity to prominence. It embodies the collective effort of millions, entrepreneurs, workers, policymakers, and innovators who are shaping a brighter future for themselves and for the nation. As the world becomes ever more interconnected, Bangladesh stands ready to seize new opportunities, set higher standards, and inspire others with its remarkable story of transformation. The label Made in Bangladesh is not just a mark of origin. It is a symbol of progress, pride, and limitless possibilities.